Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good affiliate marketing method that comes with free traffic on a really good site that I found, and we can post our advertisements on this site for free and drive lots of good quality traffic to our affiliate products. So if you're interested in a really good affiliate marketing method in this video, stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. But before we do get started, I always want to tell people that are new to my videos, if you haven't yet subscribed, well, anytime during this video, just reach down below the video there, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead, and also anytime during this video, if you feel like you're getting some good value out of it, just reach down there too and give me a thumbs up. Alright, appreciate it guys, thanks. Alright, well let's go ahead and get started on this now. We're going to be using CLICKBANK products. Now you can use Digistore 24 products, you can use JV Zoo, you can use Warrior Plus, you can use any affiliate product for this method that you want. In fact, again, as it with all affiliate marketing, the more you do it, the more opportunity that you're going to have to make sales and make some profit here, okay? All right, well, let's go ahead and get started on this now. First of all, I'm going to be using a CLICKBANK product here. So we want to come over to CLICKBANK. Now, if you don't have an account, like I always tell you guys, it's free to sign up at CLICKBANK. In fact, this whole method today is 100% free. Doesn't cost anything, and you don't have to pay for this traffic because the traffic that we're going to be using is really good traffic, and it's all for free. You should be able to do this from anywhere in the world. I mean, if you can't access CLICKBANK because you're in another part of the world, you can certainly use Digistore24.com because it's the sister site to CLICKBANK, and you can use their products as well there. All right, so you come to CLICKBANK and you want to come over to the marketplace. You see where my mouse is right here. Brings you over to the marketplace page here, guys. And guys, you can do this with any niche that you want. I mean, if you look over here in the categories on the left, it's all kinds of niches that you can do. And of course, the three major ones are the health and wealth, the health and fitness, wealth, and relationships are the three top niches in the world. Plus, they have all kinds of sub niches under that as well. But there's a lot of different niches here on CLICKBANK as well as on Digistore 24 if you're using that. So for today's example, in this video, guys, I'm going to be using this product right here. It's called Exipure, and I do want to tell you that you want to make sure that you pick a product that has some professionally written email swipes, because we're going to be using emails today in our advertising. This product right here I'm going to use is called Exipure. You see it right here, guys. And if we click on the sales page here, you can see it's got a really good sales page here with some really good value information here on this particular weight loss product here. And you can see the prices of the products and so on and so forth. Now, this method you can do also with, you can use this, I think it was like about 13 days ago, I did this video right here, how to transform websites. You can use that method. If you watch that video, you can use that method with this particular method that I'm showing you today, how to market. You can use that particular method right there. So if you want to watch that, it'll show you how to do that, do it a little bit different way than what I'm going to show you today. So Exipure is what I'm going to be using here. It's a really good product. I mean, also, and they have, if I click on the affiliate links right here, guys, right here, the Exipure affiliates tools, and you can see that they have links and pixels, and they have email swipes right here, and as well as images as well. So either one of those two, definitely email swipes, and you can use images if you want to as well. All right, so we're going to leave this here. First of all, we're going to go ahead and get our link, and then we're going to shorten it up over using tinyURL. So I'm going to click on promote right here, guys. As you can see on this particular product per sale, you can make about $148.20 per sale, and it does have recurring billing, guys. That's, you see right there. That's good. That means every month when they come back, and it's like a subscription based thing, and they come back or they buy more or whatever, you're going to get paid again and again and again. So, and you can see that the gravity on this is really high. Exipure is a lot of people. There's over 1,100 people that are selling this product successfully right now on the internet. So what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to click on promote, and it'll bring this up here. You want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box right there. You can use a tracking ID if you'd like as well. I'm not going to do it for this method here today. but you can see it gives us our old ugly ClickBank link here. I'm going to click copy right there. And then what we're going to do is bring that over here to tiny URL, and we're going to shorten it up. You can use bit.ly.com if you'd like to as well. So I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to click make tiny URL. And it gives us this link right here. So we're going to go ahead and leave this right here for now, and we will come back and get that here in a moment. So once you've got your product picked out, you've got your promotion link, and you've got your product that has email swipes, here's how we're going to market this. This site is really good, guys. It's this site right here. We want to come over. Now, I want you to stick around also, too, because I'm going to show you a bonus way that you can even get more sales with this toward the end of this video. So stick around here. So if I click on this site right here, guys, look at it. It's called World Profit. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's worldprofit.com. You see that right there? And then this site right here is a great site. It is a site where you can actually come and sign up, and you can build an online business in affiliate marketing, in any type of affiliate marketing that you want, and you can do it for free. And they do have also a couple of levels of paid memberships as well, which you'll see here in a little bit. And it says right here, it says we are World Profit and web hosting, home business training, and affiliate marketing. You see that, guys? And if we scroll down here, it talks a little bit about them and so on and so forth. I'm not going to read all this and bore you guys with this, but we are going to be using this particular site. So if we scroll down here, you can talk a little bit about the CEO and co-founder of this particular site, and the president and co-founder as well. And some of their services are, they have web hosting, guys. And it says your website will be pre-built and ready to go, and you can take over and add unlimited pages and autoresponders, landing pages, and much more. And no limits means just that, no limits. And then, of course, affiliate marketing with over 100 places to promote and over 100 landing pages. We are sure you can advance any business you are in or can start fresh from beginning. This is a really good site, guys. They have sales training here as well, technical support, website management for you, and they have a live business center where you can get help 24/7 every day. And they have some customer testimonials there, guys. And here's some cool facts about it. They got over 12,000 right now, plus websites that people have built on this site. They're open 24/7 for their support, like I was telling you. And they have 18 plus locations, but they are based in Canada. This particular site is based out of Canada, and right now they've got over 2,769,000 members of this particular site right now. And then it comes down to some member login and blog posts that you can read, and it comes on down and talks about terms and conditions. So now let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you how we're going to use this site to market our ClickBank or Digistore 24 products, whatever products you're using. So you want to click right up here, come up here where it says join for free, or you can click right here. It's the same thing. It brings you down here, and it's so simple to sign up here, guys. It says right here, it's free and includes traffic and a basic website. See? All right, now you want to put in your first name right here, or your full name, whichever. Put in a good email address, and then click Get Started Now. And I will tell you guys that they will send you an email confirmation, because I've already signed up here, and they did send an email confirmation. All right, so you want to make sure you get that validated, and then come back and get signed in. And the way you do that, you'll just click on members right here, and you can sign in right here. Now you can see my login information is already here because I've already joined here. So put in your ID, which they'll send you, and then your password, and then you got to check the little garbage box right here, guys. I don't like this, but you can't get around it. You got to check it. And then they want you to enter the CAPTCHA things that you see right down here. So it's going to be WC7 and looks like N, and then just click on login. Once you get logged in, it brings you back here to sort of like your back office here, guys. You can see they have a free program. That's what we're on right now. Then they do have the silver membership, and then they have a platinum membership. So I'm not going to talk too much about that. You guys can certainly come over here and check this out. In fact, I'm not going to talk too much about this particular back office, because as you can see, they have a lot of information here about this particular site and how you can use it to drive traffic to your businesses or your affiliate products and so on and so forth. But what we want to do is we want to come over here. We're on the free program here, but we want to come over here in this column on the left over here, guys, and you can see associate members. So you see I'm logged in here, and you want to come down here to where it says free classifieds ads.
Hello,
right
Kevin.
here. You see that?
You're back.
Where my mouse is? Click on that, and it drops down this little thing right here. Place ads for free. And as you can see here, you've got solo ads and traffic as well. Guys, this site has a lot of stuff on it that you can use for your affiliate products, but I'm going to show you the classifieds today here, okay? So we want to click right here on place free ads or place ads for free. And that brings us over here to World Profit Free Classifieds. And then it shows a little bit about other people's posts here and stuff, and talks a little bit about it and so on and so forth. And you see all the different categories that can be used as well here. They have lots of different categories of people posting ads and stuff like that in. All right, so what we want to do then up here is you want to come up here to the upper right, just above my head here, guys, where you see it says post and ad. And we want to click on that. And that brings us over here. It says classified ad entry here, and look what it says here, right, guys. Post as often as you like. So you can post as many free ads to their classified sites as you like here. Now, one of the things that we can do here, it says enter your ad below, and then after you confirm your 10 ad credits will be deducted. Well, you get 500,000 free ad credits, guys, to run these ads. So you can, like that's why it said, post as often as you like, because you've got plenty of credits to do this with. So it's 10 ad credits per ad. It says here your ad will run for 7 days and can be reviewed using credits at that time. It says no adult ads are allowed. So you want to stay away from any kind of pornography or anything like that. All right, so one other thing I wanted to show you here, though, back, if I want to come back here a page. Yeah, right here. When we clicked on free ads there, it brought us over here. This says right here, there are now 1,569 sites hosting these ads and growing. It's growing every day, getting more and more sites for hosting your free ads on. And plus our classifieds widget is also 3,107 blog sites. So if you add these two together, that's how many sites that your ad is going to get posted to once you post it. That probably is a large amount of traffic that your people will see your ads, okay? So coming back here, we'll click on post this ad again here, right here, and brings us back over here. Now what we want to do is we want to put in a title here. So I'm going to come back to the exit your affiliate zone. I'm going to choose email swipes here, guys, and it brings us down here, and they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and about 5 emails that we could use. All right, so I think that we will probably just use this one right here. We're going to take this subject right here, or title right here. Just highlight that and copy it, if it will. I don't know if it'll copy it or not here. It might make me have to, let's see if we can paste it. Yeah, it took it, and it pasted it in right there. And also, we'll put in our body of our content right here. So we want to come back, and I'm going to grab right here and highlight all of this right here. Actually, that's a pretty, go ahead and we'll just go ahead and put it all the way up here, and we'll highlight that all, and we will copy that and bring that back over to our ad right here, guys, and paste that in there like that. You want to just put your name in there if it has that for it. Maybe on the upgraded membership ones, if you're up, because see they're pushing their silver. Maybe on it will allow you to put images in, but we're doing this for free, so we're not going to be able to put any images in, but that's okay. What we'll do now is we want to come back and we want to get our tiny URL. You see that right there? And so we'll come back to tiny URL, and I'm going to copy that. Click copy, and you can see that it's been copied to the clipboard up here. And then we'll come back to World Profit, and we'll paste our tiny URL link right in there. And I'm going to also make a space, and we will type in here, click here to read, or actually I'm going to put in here, learn more. And then we will put in our tiny URL right there as well. All right, so not going to hurt to put it in there twice, I don't think. So we'll let it go at that. Now we can click on post ad, but before you do that, and you can see here that it's going to run it. We're posting it today, and it's going to run it for 7 days, like it said. See that, guys? Now what we want to do is we're going to come down here. Now I'm in the health, and it says right here you can pick up to 2 categories in one directory. Okay, so I'm going to pick, of course, the health directory here, or category, and I'm going to choose weight reduction and health breakthrough right there. And that's what we'll do. That choose like right there, and then after you enter your new ad, we'll deduct 10 points, and that's for 10 credits. That's what I was telling you earlier. So you can post it from there or post it here. So we'll go ahead and click post the ad now, guys. And that should, so as far as we found the URL, you entered it as banned on our banned website. Please try again. Okay. All right, so let me come back here, and I'll be right back in just a moment. I'm going to straighten this out. Alrighty, guys. Well, it ended up that it didn't like the tiny URL. It didn't like that shortened link. So what I did was I came back, and I just come back over here and got the straight up CLICKBANK link, and copied this and put this over onto the ad, and it went ahead and allowed me to post it. All right, so I don't know why. It's kind of weird. It took the full CLICKBANK link, but it wouldn't take the tiny URL. It must be they don't like link shorteners or something like that. Okay, guys, well, that's how you do that, and you can come back and do this again and again and again, and put as many affiliate products as you want up on this site. Now, remember I told you earlier in the video, I said there's something else I want to show you that will help you to even do better. Now, what you can do is you can drive people to a landing page and collect their email addresses. And that will thereby, once you collect their email addresses, when they go to your link, and hopefully they'll buy your CLICKBANK product, but you're going to collect their email address, and you can market to them more later as you collected those. And the site that I recommend that you do that with is the one that I use. It's called systeme.io. You see it right up here in the address bar, systeme.io. And this is the site that I use for my landing pages and my funnels. And the reason is they have a very good free package right here that you can use, and then of course they have the other packages. But for the free, you get 2,000 contacts, unlimited amount of emails you can send, and up to 3 sales funnels or landing pages that you can build. And this site is very, very easy to build landing pages with. It's simple drag and drop, guys, all the way through this. And this is the one I recommend, and I've got the link for this site down in the top of my description there, and you can click on that and come over and check out systeme.io. I mean, there's lots of others like Builderall and ClickFunnels and a lot of other ones, but this one I think is the best for what you get for free, and you can use this site and build a really good quality landing page. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. It's a really good method that you can use. And if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the little notification bell there right beside it. And also, if you have any comments or questions about this particular method, put it down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on it as soon as I can. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing where you can make thousands of dollars per day, you want to reach down there and click in the top of my description also where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out the free video that will show you the formula how you can learn high-ticket affiliate marketing starting today as well. Okay, well, guys, I hope you get some good success with this particular method that I showed you here today. It's all for free, and it's a pretty good one, I believe myself. Alrighty, thanks a lot, guys. I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next money making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.